Welcome to another educational, entertaining and funny episode on Caught on DashCam. In today's episode again we prepared the fresh and amazing content of bad drivers on the road, so watch carefully and learn from their mistakes. Important to notice is that we do not condone any violence and also nobody is injured in our videos. Enjoy.
He's driving too slow.
It's a 20 mile an hour speed limit, so I suggest you do the same.
Okay.
Off you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, you had to think, what was I gonna do? Throw a pot back at her head? No, I'd be kicked out of the crib. Damn! What, you sold that? Damn! You sold that? What the? Yo, he's getting fucked! He's running from the police, man! What the?
Your urologist look you in the eye as you're bent over the exam table with your pants around your ankles. Look you in the eyes, and your urologist says, with his gloved finger dripping KY, I think I've sprained my prostate finger. To shake hands. That's all coming up. This is the Bob and Tom Show. Welcome back to the Bob and Tom Show.
There's Mr. Lee at the news desk. Josh Arnold at the wisecrack desk.
When he's right, he's right.
There's Ace Crowder.
Just looking to the light. And I'm mine, you know.
Too much time at the front desk hitting on her.
So you're just parked at the front desk.
She said the company frowns on its co-workers fracture banging. So now she was had this all fatal attraction on me yesterday.
Oh.
Hey, Mr. Baker, get out of the muckling and feminine record.
You're actually worth, which we can't really finance the movie. I mean, we can't do anything with you, but
yeah, that's had a few upwards and some dips and some flats. And
yes, it has.
That's really depending on what year we asked whose mind it was from.
Ain't that the way it always is? Jay Leno said that. He said, any actor, no matter who you are, he said, he was talking to somebody about doing stand. I think it was Dave Davidoff. He said, keep doing stand-up. I don't care how famous you get as an actor. After about 8 years, you're always the last one. You're always the last guy we call out. You're never going to be first chair the whole time. You got about 8 years of relevance, no matter who you are, and then pretty soon it's just hard to sustain, man. You just can't hit that many home runs.
Part we need to tip the cap to.
100%.
They just keep going.
Brad Pitt.
Yeah.
Still worth what he's worth, man. Johnny Depp lost it, though. Forbes magazine came out about 5 years ago and said, for every $100 you put into a Johnny Depp movie, if he's not dressed like a pirate, you're getting $1 back.
What?
Yeah.
Mr. Speed Demon. And then he has to slam on his brakes because of the...
Just to get one car. Bet you he's gonna go get that truck! Yes! Karma, baby!
Go get him!
Oh, he didn't get the truck. Oh, he did. He got 2 people.
Yeah.